So this is a platform for UI auto design. So what you want to do now is very simple. So there are two ways you could do this. So we need an app idea right now. So what do we do? There is this magic wand here, right here. So before you go to that, you can either switch from you want a mobile, a tablet, or a web idea. Okay. So whichever one you choose works fine. So now to generate the ideas, you can either use this try example, or you could find any other source on Google, any place where you think you can get an idea from. Any other AI tool can help you out with that to generate an app idea. So what I've done for you is get you 42 app ideas you can make use of. So it's going to be linked in my Google Drive for you to make use of. So the link will be down in the description. So you have all this. So all you just need to do is to scroll down here and pick any one of these ideas. There are 42 of them. Pick any one you like and use it on the AI tool. So you can just take this first one. Let's say I pick this, copy. So this is an app that monitors and analyzes the health of a car's engine, providing real-time diagnostics and maintenance reminders. So this is an aviation. So we're just literally trying to get or see how this auto designer can visualize this idea we have right now. So FlySmart, an app that helps pilots plan for efficient routes, provides real-time weather updates and alerts for potential airspace conflicts. So this is basically my own idea. So I have 42 of them. So you choose whichever one you feel like. So we have this. So what kind of color should we make use of? So I want it to be light. I want it to be modern, not artsy. I want it to be corporate, formal, a little bit techy, right? No. So let's just generate and see. So it's a mobile app. So this will take a little bit of time. Let's wait it out. So while this is loading, let's just keep going through the ideas we have. So there's a banking spend sense, an app that tracks and categorizes a user's spending habits. There is construction site scan, an app that uses augmented reality to help construction workers visualize building plans. So you should also know that the auto designer just gives you an idea on how to design. So you can easily take the design and redesign it on Figma or Adobe XD or whichever software you make use of, or Sketch, whichever one you make use of to do your design. But the bottom line is it gives you a foundation to start from. You get the idea, the concept is already done for you. So that is what auto design can actually help you with. So let's see what we have. I made a mistake. I didn't choose the color. Okay, I didn't specify a color. So we could use. I was going to choose blue. So, but we could easily change that from here. So no, that's too much. Let's go for this. Okay. So some of these screens might not be very clear, but then so you have to upgrade to see this part. But this is an idea. You can see how find airports and routes. Okay, nearby airports. This so everything is done for you. Everything is done. How many screens? So you have. So this is a concept. So it's not left for you to develop this completely, and you could have more features if you upgrade. Okay. So I think this is we're starting